Today we're expanding our Albanian vocabulary in the topic of sports. Let's get started. First, how do we say sport in Albanian? Sporti, the sport, sporti, or in the plural, sportet, the sports, sportet. Our first sport, of course, is football, football. Football, luaj football, I play football. Luaj football. Football is the most common and most famous sport in Albanian. Everybody supports the national team and we go crazy about it. Moving on, we have football American, American football. Football American. Luaj football American, I play American football. Luaj football American. Keep in mind that American football is not so common in Albania. Basketball, basketball, basketball. Luaj basketball, I play basketball. Luaj basketball. Moving on, we have volleyball, volleyball, volleyball. Luaj volleyball, I play volleyball. Luaj volleyball. Moving on, we have handball, handball, handball. Luaj handball, I play handball. Luaj handball. I don't know if you noticed, but until now we're just changing the accent. Moving on, we have atletik, athletics. Atletik. Un vrapoj, I run. Un vrapoj. Moving on, we have not, swimming. Not. Notoj, I swim. Notoj. Our next sport is mundje, wrestling. Mundje. Bëj mundje, literally I do wrestling. Bëj mundje. Moving on, we have golf, golf, golf. Luaj golf, I play golf. Luaj golf. Our next sport is tennis, tennis, tennis. Luaj tennis, I play tennis. Luaj tennis. Moving on, we have ciclism, cycling. Ciclism. We don't really have a verb for I cycle, but if you really want to say I cycle to somewhere, you will have to say shkoj me biciklet, literally I go by bike. Shkoj me biciklet, or I cycle. Moving on, we have box, boxing, box. Bëj box, I do boxing, or I box. Bëj box. Next sport is ping pong. Ping pong or table tennis. Ping pong. Luaj ping pong, I play ping pong. Luaj ping pong. Moving on, we have shah, chess. Shah. Luaj shah, I play chess. Luaj shah. And let's look at all of them one more time. Football, football, football. Football American, American football. Football American. Basketball, basketball, basketball. Volleyball, volleyball, volleyball. Handball, handball, handball. Atletik, athletics, atletik. Not, swimming, not. Mundje, wrestling, mundje. Golf, golf, golf. Tennis, tennis, tennis. Ciclism, cycling, ciclism. Box, boxing, box. Ping pong, table tennis, ping pong. And shah, chess, shah. Very well, now you know how to say certain sports in Albanian. I hope this video has helped you, and if you're serious about becoming fluent in Albanian, please do not hesitate to send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com, which you can find in the description below. We'll see each other again in the next video.